So if you're like me, you've been probably following along the beginner's course for Amazon Sumerian. Um, so when I got to episode 8, scene setup, I noticed a small workflow oddity that the narrator went through when creating two pretty much identical buckets, the only difference being their color. So let me first show you exactly how he goes about doing this.
Now I'm going to do the same thing, but I need to create an orange bucket. So I'm going to move a little bit faster here. So 0.075. And we want this to be 0.1. Right. And we take a specific Broncos color. Orange. Perfect. And add a collider to it. Right. Now let's take this box and drop it onto the orange bucket, so I'm operating within this parent entity. Going to duplicate that. Rotate it up to
scrub through. But basically, you can kind of see as I scrub through, he's going through all the steps all over again of creating the bucket just with a new color. This seems kind of tedious, especially wherein if you are in the Sumerian console, you notice that the entities menu supports an awesome duplicate feature. So you might be wondering, why can't I just take my bucket, which in my example here I've called a green bucket because I'm not a Broncos fan, and so we have green bucket, right? And we hit delete, duplicate. We have green bucket 2. Let's rename this yellow bucket because I'm a Ducks fan. And we'll move yellow bucket over so you can see it. And go to our boxes, right? And oh, there's a color. So let's go under a color thing, find a nice yellow color. Oh, what the hell? It just changed. Both buckets. I only wanted to change that bucket. Like, why is it changing both? They're separate parent entities. They shouldn't be impacting each other. But that is because if you notice that both are using the same material, default material 7. So to get around this issue, we basically need to apply a second material to the second bucket. So if we go to yellow bucket, go to our first box, hit this button here, we now have default material number 8. And we can basically keep it as yellow. Actually, I'm going to go back some so that my original bucket is green. And then do this all over again. Default material 8, color selector, yellow. Grab a nice yellow color. And you'll notice that box 1 is now yellow. And you could manually go through and do this, you know, material 9, have material 9 also be yellow, or you can just delete material 9. My mouse is being weird today. Default material 9. Oh, yeah, stupid dependencies. So let's grab default material 8. I didn't mean to do that. Box 2, default material 8, grab that, and then we drag and drop it into there. And you'll notice that default material 8 is now applied to that box. And we can repeat the process for all our other boxes. And now we have a yellow bucket and a green bucket. And wow. Hopefully, if you've had that same question that I did, this resolves it for you.